Here on Prince Edward Island, we not only have a moral responsibility to protect children, we also have a legal obligation to report any suspected cases of child abuse to the authorities.
The Premier's Action Committee on Family Violence Prevention is a collaborative partnership between community and government looking at the many issues related to family violence. There are many different types of violence that's committed against children, ranging from physical abuse, sexual abuse, and neglect. And we're looking specifically at the issue of children witnessing violence in their homes as a distinct form of violence against children.
And now there are many new programs and initiatives aimed at understanding and preventing violence against children.
That people really want to know how they can help, and a real interest in terms of looking at the impact on children. So we've had many different initiatives looking at increasing awareness. The Crime Stoppers partnership, for example, is one that's been quite exciting, where Global Television partnered with PI Crime Stoppers to do a PSA around family violence and looking at the many different impacts that that may have. So we're trying to get out, get more people aware, then we're in a better position to respond together to come up with solutions to help our children and families.
Another initiative is headed up by RCMP officer Earl Wood. His job is to break down the barriers for children suffering from abuse.
Well, what we do is we go to the schools and we put on little programs or little presentations where we try to educate the children on their rights and rights about being safe. And we tell them, like, it's safe for them to talk to, their teachers, guidance counselor, responsible adults, and policemen. And some parents will say to their children, like, if you're not good, the policeman will get you and take you off to jail. And we try to discourage that type of, talk with the children and stuff like that. And we say, well, policemen are your friends. We're here to help you, and if for some reason you're not safe, tell somebody, because you have a right to be safe, you have a right to be happy, and you have a right to an education.
And to help ensure no child is missed, the province has now initiated a mandatory reporting system for all police.
On Prince Edward Island now, there's mandatory referrals, like if we do attend a domestic, no matter who's involved, and even if the children do appear like, they're safe, untouched, we will still refer them, through a referral form to Child and Family Services to say that we did respond to a domestic dispute at such a location and that there were children present, and we would just give them a little outline as to what went on.
And after the call to Child and Family Services, Gwyn Davies is called. It's her job to help people who are in a difficult situation and to help them understand the impact fighting in front of their children can have.
If the parents in the family are fighting, these are the primary places of security for a child. If those people in your life are fighting, then your sense of security is attacked. So if a child is acting aggressively, is acting timidly, is scared and fearful, not able to participate, unable to concentrate in school, we have to know that something's gone wrong in that child's base of stability in their home.
Gwyn says to stop violence, everyone needs to become involved.
If you know a family who's suffering that way, it's not appropriate possibly to explore their personal problems, but you can extend support and friendship to their children, or make sure that their kids are included in activities, being a good community member, supporting your family resource centers, finding out about what programs exist in school, and making sure that we become knowledgeable about nonviolent conflict resolution.
Please, never underestimate the positive impact your phone call could have on a child's life. For those very important phone numbers, look inside your telephone book on the first page. From Charlottetown, I'm Karen White.